So can we talk about how Normani totally killed her first Video Music Awards performance? So as you can see from the title, me as somebody who completely believe that Normani outdid Taylor Swift's performance, Camila Cabello and Shawn Mendes' performance. I feel that she outdid Miley Cyrus's performance.
Box cover!
So let's start with the show. So Taylor Swift opened the show. She did her song called Ooh La La. What's the name of the song again? Oh, you need to calm down. Off with that song, and I mean, she tried. She honestly tried. I'm not the type of person who looks forward to a Taylor Swift performance. I like Taylor Swift's music. I like her songs. I like how she looks. But I don't get excited when I hear Taylor Swift is going to be on stage. It just doesn't happen. And then she went into a second song. I never liked that song. I don't know what that song is about, but it's just man, you know? Yeah, that song could have stayed. So basically, when it comes to Taylor Swift performances, my feedback is similar to how Aretha Franklin felt.
Great gowns, beautiful gowns.
And then the next performance that I felt that Normani did better than was definitely Camila Cabello and her boyfriend Shawn Mendes. That performance. I mean, they tried. They tried with the chemistry. I'll give them an A for effort, but it wasn't really, you know, because I saw, you know, what Lady Gaga did with her performance with her co-star, and yeah, I was looking for that and it never really clicked the same way. So, but good effort. I wish them did actually kiss on stage because it would have been a good MTV Video Music Awards moment. And so now I'm just gonna jump to Normani's performance now. Normani, she is developing this sort of thing that makes one excited to see a performance. If there's a show and I know that Normani is going to be performing, my daddy upon my eyelash. Simple as that. She have the little thing there now, because the way how the music industry stay, you really do have people who get excited to tune in. So Normani did Motivation. She killed the stage shell when it comes to the whole dancing and the performance and the vibes. I'm not gonna lie, the entire time all I was looking on and seeing is Beyonce minus the vocals. Like, me I watch the performance and I say something missing. It's like she have 100% of something, but then from another department she lacks something. Me I see the movements, but like something vocally just never did a connect. You know, when me I look and you know when Beyonce are going to fear performances, no matter if I want shake up type of thing, there is some vocals behind it, and that Normani need for work on. Can it feel a little bit weak? You see all the points in the song where, you know, the song just never really developed and, you know, and went to a sort of peak. I wanted a certain climax in the performance and I never really got it. But the moves were good. And I love this moment that the cameraman caught with Lizzo. I'm feeling the performance. And the dance break had Beyonce written all over it. The part where she fell flat to the floor, and you saw the camera get an overhead angle of her in the circle. That was bringing back Beyonce's Super Bowl memories. And that breakdown part where that she did just before the last dance break, that definitely reminded me of I think she did something like that in Baby Boy. And so right after that, when I was expecting the performance to just go up and oomph, it just kind of fell flat because in my brain, I was still looking at Normani and picturing Beyonce, because, you know, at this point, Beyonce would have been like, Motivation, I'ma break you up, I'ma break you, MTV, yeah, oh, yeah, ooh, yeah. Sing it with me, sing it with me, sing it with me, sing it with me. Motivation. Just like that. That's how she would have done it. Say Normani just needs a little bit more oomph into the vocal part of her performances, and I'm sure she's going to be great, because if this is where she's starting out, the potential exists for this girl to just be out of this world. And so, not to be outdone, I have to, have some honorable mentions. Like Lizzo. Lizzo completely destroyed the stage. Lizzo and Normani are now becoming some of my favorite performers these days. As a matter of fact, I think all the black performers that were on the Video Music Awards show did a great job. It basically was the BET Awards point 2. That's what the MTV Video Music Awards was. BET Awards on steroids. That's exactly what it was. Now imagine, Lizzo literally had a whole booty shaking theme, and it met with the whole church vibe, and it worked. It worked. She didn't need to bring out her... She never need to bring out that. What Lizzo has been doing is to focus on her songs that a lot of the public, a lot of the masses are not aware of, and when she does the performance on stage, the public soon after follows, and then the songs start to trend. So the same thing that this song that she did, what it's called, she did it for Barbershop. It's called Good as Hell. That song was done about 4 years ago, and people are just finding out about it and enjoying the song, so it made perfect sense for Lizzo to actually perform it on the VMA stage. And I can guarantee you, by the next week, it's going to be on the charts. Lil Nas X, he did an interesting job. I wasn't sure what I was looking at. It looked very, can I get this boom, boom, boom? This boom, boom, boom. What's that group name? What's that group called? If you know what the group is called, please comment down below. It had Fergie, Will I, why I can't remember the group's name. Gotta get that, maha. She's got me spent. No. Why I can't remember the group name? Somebody comment down below what's that group called, please. So yes, Lil Nas X, he gave a great performance. I was expecting him to do Old Town Road, but I guess the brother tired of the song now. Imagine the man, I pushed the song for much months now, he must tired out. So he did a new performance, tried to dance. I'll give him an A for effort, but hopefully, you need to learn a little bit from Offset. But outside of that, my favorite performance on the Video Music Awards stage for 2019, definitely the Vanguard winner, the Michael Jackson awardee winner, Missy Elliot. Her performance, shell, totally slap, where she annihilated the stage. She showed everybody why she is the queen of performances, the queen of video production, the queen of entertainment and style and fashion, and the queen of being cool.
Watch me, throw it back, 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 throw it back.
No, I'm tired. I'm tired. The only thing that would have made this performance better is if Ciara had joined Missy Elliot on stage. It would have been epic, and that would have just been that. But that's it, people. I thought that, Normani definitely outdid Taylor Swift and Camila Cabello at the MTV Video Music Awards 2019. Do you agree with me? Do you think that Normani's performance wasn't all that? Do you believe that Camila's performance was definitely more interesting than Normani? Sound off below. What do you think about, what did you think about the fact that Taylor Swift won for Video of the Year and beat out Lil Nas X and Billy? What do you think about that? Sound off below. If you liked this video, please to give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and also leave a comment and let me know what was your favorite part of the Video Music Awards. Take care, people. Until next time. Am I leaving out something? I think I am, but yeah, it's okay. I think I'm leaving out something.